Mimi naitwa Senator Karen Nyamu.
Leo ni kumoto manze.
Na jinga kiaria ukamo.
Gatho cia mwanya mwiroreri witu wa Just Kenya TV ori githiini wa ceceni ino njitikiria gunyite ugeni nigetha tugithi na mbere gukumenyithia mohoro mothe mare marahanika thiini wa nenda citu cio kinyaniria na ngihoka ati we wi thayo wa mothe na kule mwena wa Facebook mwiroreri ni ati ndeto nirikitie gukinya wigi muini nguthi kana muini we gatu wekaine ta Phyllis mbuthia kana Phyllis mbuthia o aria matakimoi ni muini wa nyimbo cia gikuyu cia gutwara andu matuini turarereria Kikuyu gospel songs na riu kule mwena wa Facebook mundu geta Phyllis mbuthia thutha wa thiko nini thutha wa ukorwa cokeirio channel yake na maundu makahana ta memega riu Phyllis mbuthia ni atangathite kana ni arekereirie ndeto o ire kionanithitie ati maundu ti mega kule mwena wa Facebook kana kule mwena wa YouTube ni undu arakiuga just when I thought the channel is back and we are silently progressing with our lives. Ndongo Nyoro Kafamedho Senator Nyandarua and at Dennis Itobi someone moved to a lawyer and filed defamation and claimed the following. Nani koroto akiandika amongst other things, Mungu wangu wale wa kutuma salamu sasa kujeni hapa na shoka share screen snip ya maundu maria makiandikitwo haha na gakiona ni atiriri na mwiroreri ujitikirie guthomere makiuga ati that in terms of special damages therefore our client claims as follows. Number 1, payment of punitive and aggravated or exemplary damage for libel in the sum of 499,500. Or number 2, an apology in terms of and text approved by our client to be published in a manner as prominent as the offending message. Na ya pili pia ni okitaka kiuga atiriri, take notice, our instructions are to demand from you as we hereby do that you confirm to us in writing within the next 7 days that number 1, payment of punitive and aggravated or exemplary damage for libel in the sum of 499,500. B, an apology in terms of and text approved by our client to be published in a manner prominent in the offending message. Or C, you admit liability to act accordingly forthwith. Number D, you shall respond to our client's wishes accordingly as herein stated. We regret that unless we receive the amount stipulated herein and an apology within the stipulated period of time being of essence, we have strict instruction to within the stipulated period time being of essence, we have strict instruction to institute court proceedings against you to ensure that the ends of justice are met. Mashine maundu maria makiandikitwo kana ni maria makirota makerekerio ni mundu gwitwo Phyllis mbuthia thiini wa Facebook account yake kule mwena wa Facebook na gakorwa kieretha uria maundu makimurituheire na akiuga ati na gakihoya Ndungu Nyoro Kafamedho Senator Nyandarua na Dennis Itumbi kumuhoya kuingirira maundu-ini maya na thiini wa comment section mwiroreri Kafamedho Senator ni okitiaga akiuga ati tutakutana huko kotini na hau Phyllis mbuthia ni okitiaga akiuga thanks dear sir, lazima tuwaone mchana. O hau mwiroreri mafans magikinyete mako makiaria makiuga ati huyu sasa wacha twende hiyo court atujibu maswali kadhaa and ajue huwa unaomba Mungu aliye hai hata hizo okay, kwa hiyo court tutatoka tukiwa washindi, atashinda akitusumbua hapa ala. Alright, mesha na maundu kati ya maundu maria mafans makiogete ha thiini wa comment section na wendi kiwe mwiroreri wina uriku wakuga jera thiini wa comment section tunane kaida kangi gatari karaya.